Contractors at multiple work sites have been making preparations in anticipation of marking some big milestones in the near future. I'm Tom Fuchs, the Metro Flood Diversion Authority's Senior Construction Manager, with your March construction update. Those traveling north of Harwood on I-29 may have started to notice construction activity as excavation nears the interstate. ASN Contractors, which is building the 30-mile-long stormwater diversion channel that will route floodwater around the community, continues its work on all channel segments east of I-29 and is preparing to start work west of the interstate. In advance of the spring thaw and road restrictions, ASN has begun mobilizing its equipment fleet to nearby County Road 32, where preliminary work is now underway west of I-29. After the spring thaw and throughout the 2023 construction season, even more activity can be expected near I-29 as our public-private partnership developer, the Red River Valley Alliance, will construct temporary bypasses for all lanes of I-29, County Road 81, and the BNSF Railway to make way for multiple bridges that will span the completed stormwater diversion channel. Farther south, the project is nearing a major milestone at the Wild Rice River structure. Crews poured an additional 950 cubic yards of concrete to complete the apron on the upstream side of the structure early this month. Now, formwork, access stairs, and other temporary construction measures are being removed and another 8,000 cubic yards of riprap being placed in preparation for rerouting the river. In the coming weeks, crews will complete excavation and install earthen cofferdams, which will enclose the river flow along its existing path on the Oxbow to the east and instead route it through the structure. It's a big milestone that we will be sure to share in a future video. Over at the diversion inlet structure, preparations are underway to install a third and final 50-foot wide gate. To see maps and ongoing construction updates, go to fmdiversion.gov. Thanks for watching.